probably noticed that before. It's like flying into a cone. It gets more and more sensitive the closer you get to the airport. There's always small corrections. Very good, you're stabilized. And when you get closer, when you see those touchdown zone lights mentioned before.
Two red, two white.
Two red, two whites, and then on the runway you're going to see these touchdown zone lights as well.
500.
Coming closer, you can see them now actually. So I'm taking the cross away and just flying the lights. Very good. Disconnect out the thrust.
200.
Up with the nose a little bit, not too
100.
much. Now down with the nose again. Yeah.
50.
That's good.
40. 30. 20. 10.
There we are. Good, down with the nose. There we go, and reverse thrust. Take it right down, all the way back.